Hi, my name is Grace Dix, and I chose to research tornadoes over the next semester in EDCI 270. You're probably wondering why tornadoes. So, when I was in elementary school, natural disasters and anything that couldn't be explained easily like that was very interesting to me. I think that students will be very interested to learn how and why tornadoes work the way that they do and be able to do hands-on projects, activities, and get really involved with this topic. And it's something they probably already know about. They know what a tornado is. Maybe they've experienced one or seen one in a movie, but they probably don't understand why or how they work the way that they do. How will I get the kids involved? Videos, I think, are so important. In this age of technology and education, every student has an iPad. They have access to YouTube Kids. So many videos are online of how tornadoes work in simple terms for elementary kids to watch. I also think they will be able to do so many hands-on activities. One in particular is one I found called Tornado in a Bottle, and it's actually a way for kids to get involved, get creative, and make their own tornado to understand that better. Thank you.